Welcome to the channel for us. Today I am going to start with the chapter decimals. As we all know that decimals are used mostly in our life, right? We use along with money, which is the most important factor of life. We use with height, we use with the distance we travel, and so on, right? So now look here. What is this? This is a dot, right? So this is the way how we represent a decimal. Now, the first point regarding decimals are all the decimals can be written as a fraction. What is fraction? The fractions are the number which has got both the numerator and denominator, right? So, in the last class we have gone about fractions. So, go for that. The second here point, now you got a box here, right? So, you can see our decimal here, right? So, this is the box how we represent a number with decimal. So our decimal is here and the numbers left to the decimal are known as the whole numbers, W-H-O-L-E, whole numbers. And the numbers right are represented by 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. That is, when we take the left hand side of the decimals, you have got ones, tens and 100. But when we go to the right hand side of this decimal, it is represented by a fraction 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 and this continues. Okay. So keep this picture in your mind. Now let's compare two decimals. When we start comparing two decimals, the first part you have to compare is the whole part. Right? That is the ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Then you have to start comparing 1 by 10 and 1 by 100 places. Okay, that is first one, the second one and the third one, and that continues. See, now you have the fourth point, you have got two boxes, right? So here the first box you have got 10 rows, okay, and 10 columns. So 10 tens are 100. That is, you have got 100 boxes. Look here. Now I have shaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts with red color, right? So 7 by 10 tens are 100. You have got 100 boxes, right? And in this box, same you have got. That is 10 rows and 10 columns. Okay. Now you see every boxes in this column is shaded with red color. So what? 10 by 100. Now, see 7 by 100 is a fraction. Now, how will you change this into a decimal? That is what I am going to show you. How much zeros have you got here? You have got 2 zeros, right? Now, consider our decimal as here. When you get 2 zeros in the denominator, you have to move 1, 2, right? When you get 2 zeros, you have to move 2 places. So, we can represent this fraction 0.07. So, this is represented with fraction and this is the way you have to represent with the decimal. Here, the same thing. Here, but you can cancel this two zeros, right? So, when you cancel both zeros, what you get? 1 by 10, right? Now, this is our fraction. Now, how much zeros have you got here? You have got only 1 zero. So, imagine our decimal is here. When you write as a whole number, you have to move 1 place to the left. So, what you get? 0.1. That is, right? Now, you got here 0.07. But now, you cancelled both the zeros. So you got only 10. So you have to move only one side before. So the answer is 0.1. Right? This is the way how you have to represent decimals. Now, when it comes to the comparison of 0.1 and 0.07, see, when you take the whole part, right? That is the place to the left of the decimal. You got here both zeros, both are equal. So, then you compare the places after the decimal, that is 1 by 10 and 1 by 100. What do you get at the place 1 by 10th? You have got a 1 and here you have got 0. So which is bigger? Of course, 1 is bigger than 0. So the decimal 0.1 is greater than 0.07. Hope you got this part.